Hello everybody, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can share others' post on Instagram story. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Instagram app. It's an app where you can connect with friends, share what you're up to, and see what's new from others all over the world. Now open up Instagram app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then select the post that you want to share on your Instagram story. After you have selected the post, below the post there you'll see love icon, comment icon and share icon. Tap on the share icon and then tap on add post to your story. Now adjust the post according to your preference. Now you can add filters, add stickers, draw or write on your story. And when you are done, tap on send to, which is on bottom right of your screen. Under stories, there you'll see your stories. Tap on the blue tab that says share in order to share the post on your Instagram story. Then tap on done, which is at the bottom of your screen. This way you'll be able to share others' posts on your Instagram story. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.